HTML5 Web Communication Techniques, Web Worker. JavaScript was designed to run in a single-threaded environment, meaning multiple scripts cannot run at the same time. Consider a situation where you need to handle UI events, query, and process large amounts of API data, and manipulate the DOM. JavaScript will hang your browser in situation where CPU utilization is high. So web workers were designed to solve this problem. This dialog box was seen in early browsers when web workers weren't present. The web workers specification defines an API for spawning background scripts in your web application. Web workers allow you to do things like fire up long-running scripts to handle computationally intensive tasks, but without blocking the UI or other scripts to handle user interactions. Workers utilize thread-like message passing to achieve parallelism. They're perfect for keeping your UI refresh, performant, and responsive for users. Step 1 is to set event listeners and communicates with the script that spawned it from the main page. Once the web worker is spawned, communication between web worker and its parent page is done using the post-message method. Message passed by web worker is accessed using add-event-listener event in the main page. Now, web workers don't stop by themselves, but the page that started them can stop them by calling terminate method. When an error occurs while a worker is executing, one error event handler is called. Now to check if whether your browser supports web worker, you can simply run this code. You cannot access the DOM from web workers. You cannot load images. You cannot create canvas elements and draw to them from web workers. For now, web workers are pretty much limited to doing AJAX calls and doing compute-intensive things. It has limited access to the window, document, and parent object. Web workers will not work if the web page is being served directly from the file system. So what kind app would utilize web workers? Unfortunately, web workers are still relatively new, and the majority of samples/tutorials out there involve computing prime numbers. Although that isn't very interesting, it's useful for understanding the concepts of web workers. They can be used to prefetch or cache data, as spell checker, analyzing video or audio, processing arrays, image filtering, etc. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.